Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of Hiking Adventures with Brian. In today's episode, we will be hiking on one of the many trails that leads to Lulumahu Falls. Lulumahu Falls is located just off to the side of the Pali Highway on the island of Oahu. The trailhead is located at Old Paki Road, which is just before the Pali Lookout. This trail is considered to be one of the moderate ones on the island and is good for beginner and intermediate level hikers. It is recommended that anyone attempting to hike this trail goes when it is cool and relatively dry, as it can become very dangerous after and during heavy rainfall. As this hike can be dangerous if you're not careful or experienced, you are advised to do it at your own risk and with a group of experienced hikers. The trail to the falls runs along a dense bamboo forest along the Nu'uanu Reservoir and is a 1.7 mile loop. A decent pair of hiking shoes or those with sufficient traction are highly recommended, as you will be crossing a few streams and will most likely encounter a few areas which may be muddy if the previous days have been wet or rainy. If you have a hiking stick, I would also recommend bringing it along, as it will definitely come in handy on the trail. At the end of the trail is a beautiful waterfall stream which comes from the top of the mountain range, and a small pool of water which will be knee-high deep for most visitors. I hope that you have enjoyed this episode and will come back again next week for a future episode where we will go on more hiking adventures. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.